Have you ever wondered, what's the difference between an error and a defect? An error typically occurs before a defect and oftentimes is unknown until it results in a defect. A defect, on the other hand, is any output from a service or a product that does not meet the customer required specifications, standards, or requirements. Daily huddles, Kaizen, and even improvement meetings should be focused on discussing ways to eliminate waste and remove errors and defects in daily operations. Two very important pieces to eliminate defects are finding and removing root cause through analysis and implementing systems like Poka-Yoke, which is part of the ZQC system created by Dr. Shigeo Shingo. It is important to note that when seeking to eliminate errors and reduce defects, you will need to find a way to distinguish between the error and the defect, especially as it pertains to causation. Two very simple techniques that can be combined to make this process easier are the fishbone diagram and the 5 whys. This way you can discover the errors and drill into possible root causes. Once this is complete, your team can then brainstorm opportunities to improve. Now you know the difference between an error and a defect, and you understand a basic process for drilling into errors. We'll see you in the next module.